Hello kapamilya! Saturday na, cooking time na naman. Ako si Chris Alisaga at welcome sa Malusog na Bahay, Malusog na Buhay. Today, magluluto tayo ng healthy, masarap at easy recipe para sa buong pamilya gamit ang Carico Cookware. Mga kapamilya, tandaan natin, kalusugan ay nagsisimula sa bahay, malinis na hangin, dalisay na tubig, mahimbing na tulog at nutritious na pagkain. Kapag ginawa natin ito, mas energized tayo, mas light ang pakiramdam at mas happy ang buong pamilya. Tara, magluto na tayo at matutunan ang tamang paraan ng pagluluto. Like, share at subscribe sa YouTube channel ko para sa next recipe. Ako po si Chris Alisaga, Malusog na Bahay, Malusog na Buhay. There you go. Good afternoon! Welcome to Healthy Home, Healthy Life! There you go. See? Okay. So ngayon, magsisimula tayo, magluluto pa tayo. Beef stroganoff, very simple. You got steak, you got butter, you got garlic, you got onion, and then if you got also noodles and mushroom, and then ito yung mga ilalagay nating ingredients, right? And then we got also sauteed string beans, right? Very simple. Yan lang gagawin lang natin. And then of course, we got French bread. Dahil nagluluto tayo because it's Mother's Day. Okay? So, sisimulan na natin. Okay. Alright. Okay, alin na po kayo dito. Sisimulan natin magluto, right? So, meron tayong wok dito, pinainit na natin, right? So, lalagyan na natin ng konting, kuya, halika dito. Lagyan lang natin ng konting oil kasi bakit? Walang fats yung ating beef. Okay. Okay, kunin natin yung beef. Meron kantong. Yeah, so this is steak lang to. Yes. Ay, sabi ko kuha ako ng ano eh. Ay, sorry. Ito yung pinakamadaling lutuin. Hindi, nagluluto lang tayo. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung mga product ng Carico. Para meron lang kayong lunch. Ganyan lang. Okay, so asan yung aking spatula? Spatula nga, sister. Okay, so ngayon, ito yung string beans, very easy. Very easy, right? So, binuhol na natin to for 8 minutes. Right, so maglalagay lang tayo ng butter.
Dapat naka-smile.
Yeah, nakasmile kayo kasi nasa candid camera kayo mamaya.
Yes, butter.
Butter lang.
Butter?
Ha? Yeah, butter lang.
Anong ihakalit yan?
Akin na yung gulay, sister. Yeah, so ito, binuhol na natin to for 8 minutes, ha? Yan, ganyan lang yan. Lagyan mo lang ng garlic, salt and pepper. Ready na siya. That's it.
Wala nang halo-halong karne.
Wala na. Okay, garlic. Then salt and pepper. Ano, salt. Ang kailangan. Asin. Sister, asin. Asin. Ganyan lang. And then, mix. You're done. Ganyan lang yan.
Hindi masyadong luto.
No, ano na to, binoil ko na siya. Yeah. Kunya sa Thanksgiving, gagawa ng French beans casserole. Lagawin lang niyo ito, you just put cream of mushroom, onion, Tapos na.
Then oven.
Ino-oven pa ninyo, di ba? Okay, so ganyan lang yan. Okay. So, tingnan mo yung karne, di ba? Maraming tubig. Hanggang sa madry yan. Maprito. And then, lagyan natin ng garlic butter. Lagyan na natin yung mushroom, W sauce. And then, lagyan na natin yung cream, noodles, ready to eat. Ganyan lang, right? Hello? Okay, akin na yung salt and pepper, sir. Salt and pepper. Yeah, kung di nyo mabigkas, W sauce na lang. Pahirapan nyo pa yung sarili nyo.
Worcester.
Ayan.
Ang hirap bigkutin.
Yeah.
Ano yan? Salt.
Salt, yeah. And then vegetarian seasoning. Yeah, yan ang pinakamaganda dyan. Vegetarian seasoning, walang Ajinomoto. Yeah. Alin ba dito? Ito. Ito dito. Sarap, di ba? Ganyan lang, oh. Yan ang sinasabing walang kahirap-hirap na luto. Kumbaga, iniinit lang niyo yan sa butter and garlic. Ito lang hintayin natin. Pag nag-reduce yung tubig nito, yan ang problema sa beef. Minsan matubig. And you don't need to do anything. Yan lang. So, hintayin lang natin. There you go. Alright. So, ngayon, kumusta yung mga product ng kariko niyo sa bahay niyo? Ikaw, ate, meron ka ng water filtration.
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo sa tubig mo?
Maganda. Maganda ang aking buhok.
Wow.
I like
Ikaw, ate, right? So, kumusta yung grounding?
It's beautiful.
Nakakatulog ka ng maayos?
Opo.
Yes, di ba? Okay. Ikaw, Therese.
Put the alarm. Otherwise,
Dire-diretso ang tulog nyo. Yeah, that's a good of the grounding mattress. Pag kayo umiga sa grounding mattress, kung ang problema nyo ay pagtulog, makakatulog kayo dyan. Kung meron nananakit sa katawan ninyo, especially meron kayong arthritis, meron kayong back problem, the grounding will help you as well. Maraming benefits, right? Mamaya pakita natin. Then, ang tubig, right? Pagdating sa tubig, right? Ang tubig is kailangan natin ng tubig, right? Araw-araw. Pero, kung ang iniinom nyo is bottled water, may malaking question mark doon. Okay. So, yeah. Grabe ang tubig nyo. Lakasan ko para matuyo siya kaagad. That's the purify. Yes, okay.
Hindi namin marinate sa
No, you don't need to marinate. You don't need to marinate, yeah. Yeah.
kain lamang tapos
Yeah, ganyan. Yeah, lalagyan mo butter, onion, garlic, ito, mushroom, W sauce, yung noodles, heavy cream broth, and then pag sama-sama na, ready na. Ganyan ang pagluluto. Hindi yung kailangan marami pang gagawin. Yeah. Kaya pala sabi ko parang mainit dito. Ito ba nakabukas? Yeah. Nakabukas. Yan, no? Walang mga fats. Bumili ako ng 10 pounds beef. Nakita ko meron siyang mga taba-taba. Niluluto ko para sa amin bukas sa potluck namin. I'm making a Malaysian dish. Nandun sa loob. It's beef rendang. Pero hindi siya nagpo-produce ng fats. Anong gagawin ko para magkaroon ng fats? Grapeseed oil. ito, wala siyang fats. Ayan, no? Malapit na yan. Yan ang pinakamatagal lang. Kumusta, Ate Linda? Di ba? So ikaw, meron ka ng air purifier sa bahay. Ginagamit mo, ha?
Oo.
Yes. Dinala mo yung yung tupper? Nandito pa rin ba yung tupper ni Ate Linda? Hello, Ate Sen.
Tama-tama sana kung
Thursday special. Ito, you cannot resist. Kasi yung kaldero, meron siyang extra.
Nadala na ako ng video sa bed. Extra.
And the beef stroganoff. Yeah. And then the string beans over here. So this is almost done. Yeah. Hello. Kumusta? Eto dito, kailangan mo ng quarter? Ay, this is done. Mainit yan, ha? Kuha na nga. Okay, there you go. There you go. That's done. So we're just waiting for this. Ano? Yeah, it's beef butter. So, pinatutuyo lang natin ng konti. And then, para siyang isosote. And then we put butter, W sauce. You got the heavy cream. You got beef broth. And then, bring it to boil. Ready to eat. Ganyan lang. Let me cut the bread, sister.
You have a recipe for that? Like
Yeah.
that's wrote down?
Yes.
Maybe Glenn will
Huh?
put the house now.
Is a steak, ano bang steak yan? Yes, so,
Kay, ano,
give me tayong gloves. Yeah. Yeah, that's all, yeah. One block, one cube, huh?
wow, that's
Yeah.
that's too
Oh.
much.
No, that's life. If you don't have butter in life,
Yeah, no flavor.
Boring.
yeah, no flavor, right?
200 over 100.
And then,
No, no.
That's your favorite?
butter is life. All right, Glenn?
Yeah,
Yeah, you know, I don't care.
good. It's not good for you, but it's good.
That's good. People, they're telling me, you know, I don't eat croissant. There's a lot of butter on it. I don't care.
Yeah.
I only
You
live
don't eat
once.
it every
Yeah,
day,
I know.
Yeah, it's not every day.
You know,
I only live once. So might as well. Yeah, here. Ganito, right? So I slice it. No, the other way. Yeah. Lakihan mo. Lakihan mo cut. Yeah, more. Yeah, ganyan. Make it bigger. So there you go. Rice one, it produce oil. Then we will put the onion, the garlic, the mushroom, and then the broth and the cream, bring it to boil. And then you put the noodles, ready to serve. Yeah, ganyan. Yeah, that's Carico knife. Yeah, that's the Carico knife. You see? Try to use other knife. You won't even cut that bread.
what kind of bread is that?
French bread.
Dressing?
It's a garlic bread. Yeah, garlic bread.
And then where's that Santa Clara? No, Santa Clara. Yeah, I think they're near each other. Those things. Yeah. Budget money.
Is it onion? No, onion.
Onions, yeah, onion, yeah. There, yay! Now I see oil. Carico, that's Carico too.
Toast it over with the pan.
Yeah, I don't use the toaster. Every time I want to toast my bread, I use the regular square griddle or any regular, yeah. No oven. Yeah, no, you just put it like that until you toast it a little bit.
Hindi ka nanonood kanina eh. Kita mo sana ang text.
Alin?
Yung si Ate,
Garlic?
ano lang.
You don't need to put a lot of salt, okay? No.
Also a chicken.
Yeah, you can do chicken also, ate.
Yeah.
You can use chicken breast.
Mga chicken breast.
Yeah. Or, you know, if you don't like chicken breast, you can use chicken thigh, skinless. There you go. It produces already oil. Yay. There you go, right? So we got the banana, orange, strawberry, pepino drink over there. See? So you got oranges, banana, strawberry, and pepino. Huh? Non-alcoholic, okay?
Virgin.
Yeah. And then we got also Filipino kakanin, right? You got rice cake. What is this over here? This one? Putu? Putu? Two, two?
Puta.
Ah.
Iko.
And what about this?
Kasaba.
Oh, kaseba? Ano siya? Kailangan mag-brown. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh my God, ang sarap na niya, oh. Sarap.
Hanggang wala ng tubig.
Yeah, hanggang wala ng tubig.
The beef is already sliced.
No, I slice it, yes. So you buy it and then you pound it and then slice it.
Para malambot.
Yeah, but you don't put anything. Kasi when you buy steak, it's already, tender. Yeah, sir lang. Konti na lang. Woo, sarap. Sarap, sarap. Okay, this one. There you go. Nagiging soft na siya, You put more butter. No, it's okay. After this one is done, bread are done too.
You had the pan on low,
I put it on high heat right now.
but it won't burn it or nothing?
No, it won't burn it. Yes, it won't burn.
Won't burn your pan?
No. You got the salad master, right? You got a salad master.
Kaya hindi na siya salad na.
We don't have every piece.
I don't have a piece, yes.
We just
Yeah,
the beginner set.
The beginner set. This one right here is the same thing. It's titanium as well. But of course, for less money. It's not expensive as the other one,
You
yeah.
gotta look at your pocket,
Yeah, right.
the quality. You don't need a Bentley,
Yeah, exactly, yes, yeah. There you go. Oh my God, right? Let's try it, right? Let's try one piece.
See if it's tender.
Yeah. A little bit more. No, that's why you need to,
Bread na.
that's why you need to toast it. I just need to season it a little bit more. Pwede yan, sister, you can take it out and then you put another batch. Tagal, no? Tagal matos, no? No? The only thing we're... Installation also.
In your sink. Somebody installed that for you. Somebody installed that for you.
Yes, we have something.
Okay, I'm gonna put the mushroom, ha? Pag nilagay ko ito, sandali lang. I put that and this boil, tapos na. Yung cornstarch. Yeah, huwag mo lalagyan ng tubig.
Anong promo pa ba itong place?
Yes. 9999. Regular price, one. Okay, I'll put the mushroom, ha?
Sarap na.
Then I put the W sauce. W sauce. Yeah, okay. Lagay mo na yung bread doon. Mushroom, right? We're gonna put a little bit of chicken broth, beef broth. Yeah, no. Yeah, there's curry on that one.
Is there a stainless chopping board?
No, it's only like this.
No place. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll bring it to boil. We put the cream, and then ready to eat. And then we put the noodles. All right, ganyan lang. See? It's always. Yeah, the mushroom is already here. So I'm just waiting for the to boil, right? And then I put the heavy cream, then ready to eat. Sarap.
You still have it on high heat?
Yes, I put it on high heat. Yes. Because this once you no, I just want to make sure. This is new. Yummy. Oh, that one. Okay. Yes, actually cornstarch is there. Konti-konti ito.
That's front part.
Yeah, cornstarch. Okay.
Better to mix the cornstarch like that or mix it
No,
with
it depends. It depends how you cook it. So katulad ngayon, with me, I don't need to mix it with water. Yeah, magtitiken na yan.
mushroom.
Like, share, subscribe. No, mali. Again, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.